You guys okay, please, sir?
Will Rogers for the defense. May I inquire?
Please.
Good morning, Mr. Hyde.
Good morning to you. How are you?
Good. You are Avery Bancroft's executive assistant.
I am, yes.
So part of being the executive assistant, you do things like help her work on the proposal, right?
I do, yes. In fact, I wrote this one.
And you also do things like set up meetings.
I do, yes.
So you would actually set up meetings between Avery Bancroft and Chase Covington.
Yes, sir.
And you were present for most of them.
Most of them, yeah.
Now, I want to talk specifically about the March 31st meeting.
Sure.
Mr. Hyde, in this meeting, Chase Covington wasn't there, right?
No, Chase Covington wasn't at that meeting. He came first time on March.
Now,
April 13th.
you stated on direct examination that Avery Bancroft wanted to do whatever it takes to make this happen.
Yeah, that's what he said.
But that wasn't Chase Covington's statement, right?
No, that was Avery Bancroft.
Right. And now, also, Mickey Keenan said you need to make Chase happy.
Yes, sir.
But Mr. Covington didn't say he wanted him to be happy, right?
No, Keenan said that as Covington's employee.
Now looking at April 13th, you were present for most of that meeting, right?
I was, yes.
But you actually happened to step out and use the bathroom at one point.
I believe that's not what it used to be, sir. I'm sorry.
Do you remember approximately how long you were out?
No, I couldn't tell you the exact time. I didn't look at my watch.
It seemed like quite a while to you, though.
Well, yeah, it takes a little longer than it did one time.
And when you came back, everyone looked different from before, right?
Objection, Your Honor. Lack of foundation. Finally be heard.
Okay.
Your Honor, opposing counsel has not walked us through how people looked before, has not inquired to the witness how people looked before.
Okay. Yeah, objection. Did he get the question is fine.
When you came back, everything looked a bit different to you, didn't it?
What do you mean by different, sir?
Well, the expressions on everyone's faces.
Well, no, they didn't have the same expressions as when I walked out.
It seemed like something had happened that you'd missed.
Well, yeah, I'm sure they did something while I was in the bathroom.
Now, April 16th, you said you saw Avery Bancroft fill a briefcase with money, right?
I did, yes. He filled it with over $200,000.
Right, Mr. Hyde, but you couldn't be exactly sure how much money was in that briefcase.
No, not exactly. I just saw the bands that he loaded into it while I was there.
And Mr. Hyde, you don't know where he was going with that briefcase.
He was going to the meeting that Chase Covington was going to get the bribe at.
Mr. Hyde, you don't know exactly where he was going.
Well, he was going to the April 16th meeting. That's where I was going to take her.
But this April 16th meeting, did you see Chase Covington there?
No, she didn't show up.
Right. I want to talk about the 14th of April. You didn't see Chase Covington that day, did you?
No, I didn't.
And you didn't see Chase Covington the 15th either.
No.
In fact, you didn't see Chase Covington on the 16th, the day that the bribe supposedly happened.
No, he didn't show up to the meeting that we had.
Yes. Mr. Hyde, lastly, I want to talk about these meetings and what was said. Now, you never heard Chase Covington ask for money in these meetings.
No, he didn't have to.
You never heard Chase Covington use the word bribe.
No, nobody had to use the word bribe. Everybody in there was fairly intelligent.
Well, on April 16th, you in fact saw Mickey Keenan, right?
I did, yes.
And Mickey Keenan is the undercover agent.
Yeah, that's right, she is.
Now, when she came up to you, she actually told you that you were going to go to jail if you didn't fix this situation.
Objection, Your Honor. Hearsay.
Your Honor, we are not using this for the truth of the matter asserted, but the effect on the listener as in what happened after.
Your Honor, finally be heard. The effect on the listener, Mr. Hyde, in this case, has no relevance to the case today. And I'm changing my objection to relevance if they're not using this for the truth of the matter at all.
Have you heard? Yeah, Your Honor, because he heard this statement, he then went to look for Chase Covington, and he could not find Chase Covington anywhere, which is incredibly relevant, and the effect on the listener.
Yeah, as well as possibly his credibility, I think. So,
Mr. Hyde, on April 16th, you saw Mickey Keenan.
Yeah, I did.
And he told you that you were going to go to jail if you didn't fix this.
She said I was going to go to jail if I didn't find Bancroft right now.
Thank you, Mr. Hyde. I have no further questions at this time.